This is a topic of a skeletal system. A skeleton, it is a framework of the body that you protect the bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. These are the lower limbs like femur, patella, tibia, and fibula, tarsals, and metatarsals, and phalanges. These are the upper limbs like humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. The two hips are called the pelvis. These are called the ribs, also as the rib cage. Then collarbone and sternum. These are the spines. We have a backbone. Then we have tailbone or coccyx, sacrum, next, lumbar vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, and neck vertebrae. The thoracic vertebrae is behind the rib cage. And so then, the neck vertebrae should live in the neck. Scapula, also known as the shoulder blade. It is the part of the skeleton that you can see the bones, including the ball and socket joint. This skull, it is the bony case that you to use the brain around the head. These are the mandibles for the mouth and the teeth. The lacrimals, then zygomatic, sphenoid, and ethmoid bones are protecting the eyes. The nasal bone and nasal conchae to protect the nasal cavity and nasal bridge. And parietal, frontal, and temporal bone for protecting the brains. Called as the rib cage, also known as the ribs. It is the 24 bones to protect the body behind the heart, lungs, and diaphragm. Are the hips around called the pelvis, including the bladder, urethra, kidneys, and ureters. These are the tarsal bones to protect the ankle. These are the carpal bones we have to using the wrist. Hard structure of the bone into the femur. To protect the red blood cells is called as bone marrow. And the hard bones we have called the white blood cells to protecting the bacteria. Cause keep healthy and strong to your muscles. Joints of the ligaments should be strong like a muscles of a tendons and joints. Bones are walking, running. There are types of your larynx to protect the tongue of the muscle called as the hyoid bone. This hyoid bone is to protect the muscle of the tongue to the larynx. These are the holes of the ears, the kneecap or patella, and the elbows, the types of small bones. These musculars should be using their muscles to stay healthy and strong. The healthy and strong muscles should be kept as the muscular bodies have tendons should be strength to the joints of the elbow of the joint. These are the joints you should have to protect the skull, like talking, singing, and operatic voice to rap. Those are called the temporomandibular joint. So then, the skeleton should be the front and back. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for watching this video. And please for watching this video. And share your like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So, thanks for watching!